Quick to your horse. Okay, not ow, ow, ow. What do you mean, ow, ow, ow? Sit back on your...
My destiny!
It must be Chip talking, huh?
Hi-ho, Silver!
Hi-oh, Red Star! Hi-oh, Zorro! Okay, we're going this way. Hold on. Woohoo! Through the bushes!
Ow!
Ow! What's the matter, Gabe? You forgot your cowboy clothes. Okay, Gabe, go to the side of Tara so I can see you. Yeah, steer your horse. There you go. Good job. Quick tub. Good. You guys look...
Red Star! Away!
Away! Woohoo. Isn't that the best going up that hill? Did you like it?